Ubuganonwa bomphakathi waseMahikeng eNorthwest kulandela ukugasela kwamaphoyisa endaweni yamabhizinisi kaBrown Mokgotsi izolo ebusuku. Lo mphakathi ukhalena ngesibalo esiphezulu sezimoto zamaphoyisa ebezitheleke kule ndawo kaMokgotsi. Izakhamuzi zalapha zithi uMokgotsi akasona isigilamkhuba kodwa kunaloko uwusizo olukhulu kulomphakathi.
A form of antagonism from SAPS, because there are many people who are disgruntled outside there, but we are experiencing more than 12 cars of police as and when they are looking for one person who is not even danger to the society. I believe that you've listened to many of the people that you've interviewed, that he's very helpful to the community. He's someone who can help the community. There are many criminals outside who are using guns, weapons and everything, but they're not going for those people as many as how they are right now.
They must follow all the proper channels, and then if they, because Brown Mokgotsi has been engaging with SABC, they must engage. It's not like it's somebody who is hiding or somebody who is a fugitive. Brown Mokgotsi is around.
uBrown Mokgotsi isiphendulela ubalule ukuthi kungani thungatha kangaka noma yingoba unikwe ithuba lokusiphendulela kukhomishana kaMadlanga na.
What is it special about Brown Mokgotsi? Am I wrong to be where I am? Am I wrong to have been given an opportunity to appear before Madlanga Commission? Those are village buildings, man, where people are renting for 3,000, 2,000, 4,000 a month.
Ubengabona nangokhala esakhiweni samabhizinisi akhe uMokgotsi ngesikhathi kugasela amaphoyisa.